Welcome to the BudgetEase Broadcast. I'm Kathy Dise. Today we're going to talk about IOLTA accounts in QuickBooks Online and how to track trust accounting the right way without losing your mind. If you're an attorney or a small firm handling client retainers, you already know this. Trust accounting is one of the most confusing parts of bookkeeping. You're not alone. The good news is that with the right setup in QuickBooks Online, IOLTA bookkeeping can actually be clear, compliant, and panic-free. It all starts with a solid chart of accounts. Organization is everything. If you're holding fewer than maybe 20 retainers at a time, the cleanest method is to create sub-accounts, one trust liability account for each client. Think of it like giving each client their own labeled folder instead of throwing all the trust funds into one pile. If you're handling more than that, you'll want a more advanced process because things can get messy fast. In QuickBooks, you'll set up an other current liability parent account called funds held in trust. Each client gets their own trust sub-account underneath that main account. When the retainer comes in, you record it as a deposit to your IOLTA account assigned to that client's trust sub-account, not income. That part is critical. As you do the work, you invoice. When you're ready to apply trust funds, you write a check from the trust account to your operating account. The client's trust account then receives the payment on the invoice to close it out properly. One important reminder, moving money from trust to operations happens at the bank, not inside QuickBooks. So you actually do move the money. IOLTA bookkeeping can go sideways quickly, and errors can lead to compliance issues, audits, and sleepless nights. If trust accounting feels overwhelming, BudgetEase helps law firms, small businesses, and nonprofits get it right and keep it right with expert QuickBooks bookkeeping and accounting services. Hey, thanks for joining us for the BudgetEase Broadcast. I hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to having you join us at the next one.